And this is Gizzard Gary, and I am at the Taurus International booth here at SHOT Show 2020, and we're going to speak with them about any new products they have. So here we go.
Well, hello everyone. Like you said, I'm Jorge, the product manager here for Taurus. What we have this year that is new for our company is the new G3. You guys know that the G2C has been a very reliable, affordable, great little pistol. So we decided this year to introduce our full-size G3, which is basically the G2C in a full size in a 17-round, 15-round pistol. Still the double strike trigger. It has an improved ergonomic trigger and a lot better feel as well. So this is one of our new products. The second one that I wanted to talk about really quick is our small frame 942 revolver. We have it in 22 LR and 22 Magnum. It's an 8-shot. It's an 8-shot revolver, and there seems to be a lot of requests right now for a small frame 22 revolver. So we have it in both stainless steel and the blued model, and we also wanted to expand our 856 line, which we have the 2-inch barrel model with a 3-inch barrel. So we wanted a little more accuracy. We decided to do a removable night sight that we partnered with Ameriglow, and we have 6 different models that we made this in. 4 of these have the Hogue rubber grips, and we have the ultralight, the stainless steel. These are stainless steel with a black finish and ultralight as well. And then we have the two-tone with a VZ grip, and our kind of a fancier model, which is the let me try to grip this. We have this nice tungsten Cerakote, night sight, and a nice fancy wood grips. So these are basically our lineup of new products for the Taurus brand this year. So thank you for stopping by, and if you're at the show, please come see us.